Hi everyone, my name is Melina and I make cash stuffing content here on my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a personal cash unstuffing. Personal is just literally our personal expenses, everything that we have saved for in our high priority and sometimes low priority. If we do happen to pop into the kids binder, sometimes those are included too, but just wanted to give you a heads up. So in today's unstuffing, we should be unstuffing $1,115. This is spread across different categories like groceries, Cheerio and pretzel, household, school expenses. So we will actually go into the kids binder, and those are the types of things that we're going to be unstuffing for. So what is an unstuffing? An unstuffing for me is taking cash out of the envelopes that I have saved up for to spend on said categories. This is a method used for a lot of people that I think either use their debit card, or in our case, we use a credit card. So we put all of these expenses on our travel credit card. The travel credit card that we use is linked down below. And every week, once a week, we go in and we unstuff the cash that we spent in those categories, take it back to the bank, and then pay off the credit card. That is how we do it. Everybody does it differently, but we want to do a lot of traveling here in the near future, and so that is why we do it this way. Okay, so first we're going to be jumping into my high priority binder, which is my taupe binder, and we've got a few categories in here already that we can jump into, like household, and I don't think everything's going to fit over here, so we're just going to do our best. And I think this might work. Okay, so I just readjusted here. The first envelope that we have in here is household, which we do have an entry for $17. And then let's see if we have any others, and we don't. So we need to take $17 out of here. We do have 17, so 10, 15, 16, 17. Which leaves us with 20, 40, 60. Whoops. There we go. And then after you unstuff it, you can go ahead and check mark it so that you don't double unstuff. Okay, the next envelope is going to be groceries, and we do have a few entries for that. So I've got 8 plus 17 also. Okay. Groceries, $7. And that looks like it's it. So $32 is what we need to take from here. So 20. Let's do, I like having some of these singles in here. So we're gonna do $40 and then take the $8 back. Yeah, so 20 and 40. And then 5, 6, 7, 8 will go back into groceries. I don't know why I already put the cash up. Okay. And we just went to Costco. That should have been put on this list, but it was not. So we are left with 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. So $363. And I promise that's not right, because Costco and our grocery pickup this week. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and mark off those grocery ones that we did. So that one, groceries. Okay, and that is it. Perfect. Oh, there it is right there, $148. Well, there you go, guys, because I didn't actually write it out. I did my little, this is the same thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, starting off strong. So $148, we need to take that out. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. And that is why I like having the ones in here. So recount one more time: 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Perfect. So 148. Go ahead and mark that one off. And then now it is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, to 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $215. That is better. And then I think the Costco one was like around $70 or something like that. Let's see. Do we have clothing? We do not. Beauty. I don't think we did anything in beauty this week. No. Gas, we do. We've got a few entries here. So 76 plus 3 plus 38. $117. So 20, 40, whoa. 20, 40, 60, 81. And now we can do a 10, a 5, 6, 7. There we go. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 110, 15, 16, 17. And that leaves us with 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So $134 in gas. Okay. And the next one is Cheerio and Pretzel, which we do have one entry for $35. So let's do 20, 35, leaving us with 20, 1, 2, 3. We have really liquidated this envelope because of the grooming. So 20, 35. And this must have just been treats, food, things like that. So 35. Okay. Looks like we might still be in here. Medical is nothing for that one. Family fun, no. My envelope, pin stack. Okay, so we may have to come back to this eventually because pin stack was kind of just like a fun thing for me and my husband to do on his birthday, and I wasn't sure if we were going to do it from my personal, his personal, or fun, you know, family fun. I didn't really want to pull it from birthday parties because it wasn't a party, you know what I mean, but kind of a date night too, you know what I mean? So yeah, okay, and then Dalton's gift for his birthday was a skateboard and his skate shoes, and then everything we did all day. So 119 plus 92 equals 211. I don't think he has all that in here, but he's got a good amount. So 1, 20, 30, 45. So $145. And then let me just triple check something. Okay, so it's not in here. It's in my low priority, and this is like the gifts is where I was going to, yeah, pull it from. So if we've got, let's see, 1, 20, 30, 45, so minus 145 equals $66. We need $66 from gifts to make this even. So 50 and 70. So if I do 70, then I would put 4 back in here. 2, 3, 4. Hold on, now I'm confusing myself. So I need $66. This is 70. Here's the 4. So I'm putting the 4 here. All of this money would go over here. And this comes out to 150, 170, 190, 200, 210, 215. But minus the 4, that's 211. Okay, I'm walking it through with you guys because I need to walk it through for myself. That's really why I'm doing this. So this should all add up perfectly. And then if any of you have questions as to why I pulled that out of his own personal envelope, we had talked about this and like how I was saving up for it in his envelope, and he was totally okay with that. So gifts has 100, 20, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4. So 144. And I'm still needing to take my sister out on her birthday experience. So we will do that very soon. But to finish up this over here, I did that and that. So he has nothing to contribute to the pin stack thing, and that's okay. We'll figure it out. Now we need to go to eating out. Okay. So eating out has a few entries. We've got 35 plus 10 plus 17, 35, 33, and that is it. So $130, 50, 70, 90. It might be easier for me to do this backwards, maybe. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 140. And I think I'm just going to do that so that I don't have a lot of bills in here. So 140, I need to take $10 back. And that will leave eating out with 50, 70, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80. All right, guys, so one more count. 50, 60, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70. Yes, so $70 left for eating out. And then we'll just check mark these. Okay. Next, looks like school expenses. That fun one, not sure yet. Vehicle maintenance was $26, which I know is in here, right? Yes. Car maintenance, $26. This was for the vehicle registration that we had to do. So $25,600. Still in here, which is great. Okay. All of these others, girls' night, tattoo is in month ahead, school expenses is kids, pin stack is me and my husband, so I need to figure that one out. Maybe like with date night and then my envelope, because it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So date night, let's see, and we needed $38, so we actually have it here. I might just take it all from here. So 20, 30, 40, and then put $2 back. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my kids binder so that I can unstuff their school expense. Oh, it was a school field trip for $13. And this is my kids binder right here. So school expenses or back to school, I mean, it really doesn't matter which one I pull it from. They're kind of like the same to me. That's how I utilize them. But back to school has $210, and that would be like a lot to break down. And school expenses is usually a little bit smaller than that. So I think we have it 10, 11, 12, 13, leaving us with 50, 70, 75, 76, 77. So $77. And 10, 11, 12, 13. For school expenses. Oh, that was like a terrible check mark. There we go. Okay, now we're going to, gosh, like I had to cough so hard. Goodness. We're going to be going into my month ahead binder, which I have right here. Now, month ahead, you might be asking, why am I unstuffing a month ahead? So I've been trying to figure out what to do with some of my month ahead trackers. These month ahead trackers, they're really just savings trackers for things that, you know, we want to save in advance for. So categories like tattoo and girls' night out, I have them in here because they just don't really fit anywhere else in my brain right now. Now, y'all may have like a very good idea where you want to put it, but I'm just not sold yet, okay? That's my struggle right now. So tattoo and girls' night are back here. All of my month ahead, like priority month aheads that go into Ally are going to be at the front. And I guess like girls' night is where like the low priority starts. So girls' night, we actually went to brunch and I spent $45. So it looks like we'll just do a 50 and take back 5. So that leaves us with $125 for girls' night or girls' day or whatever I want to do with it. Yay. Okay, so so that one's taken care of. And then tattoo, it came out to $303, which I know there's 300 and something in here. So 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. And do we have 3? No, but we've got a 5. So let me just see. Yeah, 50. Whoa. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 305. I need 303. Guys, every time I see 303, I think of the band. Every single time. If you know who the heck I'm talking about, leave it down in the comments. Seriously. So 1 and 2. And then because we're already here, I just want to see 20, 30, 40, 45. So I've got $45 here. I'm going to go ahead and switch these out for a 20. And then I want a nicer 20 here. There we go. I could probably even do a nicer 5. And a nicer 1. Okay, so 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. So $47 is what's left for tattoo. And this will just go towards our future one. We don't have any plans or dates for that yet, but it's always nice to have something in there and look forward to it. Okay, so that is it for my month ahead binder. Okay guys, so next I just need to make sure everything adds up here. We need $1,115 to go back to the bank to pay off the credit card, but also I need $200 back to go into my client tips so that I can stuff for a savings challenge thing later. So let me go ahead and pull that out. I don't know how exactly I'm going to take it, but we'll see. I think I started off with like 520s, so 20, 40, 60, 81. And then I know I did 5 10s, so let me get some better 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so that's 150. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 25. And again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wow, I still have 25 ones. So 25 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. $20, $40, $60, $81, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50. Okay, perfect. So that is the $200 that I am going to put back into my client tips off camera. And now we need to make sure that this comes out to the $1,115. So we have 1, 200, 51, 52, 53, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Perfect. So we have that $1,115 perfectly matched with our unstuffing sheet. And these unstuffing sheets can be found as a digital download or in a physical product tearaway pad form in my shop link down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so glad that everything worked out because we know that I've had a few Hot Mess Express videos over this lately. So thank you guys so much for being here. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click this button to the right side of your screen. It'll automatically subscribe you to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.